being an extrovert photographer, I really prefer passing time taking pictures than actually being here editing and retouching. The classic way of retouching is the frequency separation to get the smooth, milky skin, but Reblum promises extremely fast and better solution, and that's what we're gonna find out. I am here on Photoshop with model Michaela, and what I'm looking for is to smooth out the skin, keep the texture, and a little bit the eyes here. I would like to see the veins on the eyes be a little bit still there. I want to keep the identity of the model, just take it down there. Also, just to show off that the image is not AI, I want to keep a little bit the hairs flying. The imperfection makes this photo even real. To work on this, I actually gonna duplicate this layer, and let's go to Filter, Reblum, Reblum Retouch, and there you go. Now, let's talk about the settings here. Really simple. We have natural and fashion style, and also you have the fine tune that you can remove the effect to 0 to 100 and the intensity of removing texture. Let me just zoom in again. The imperfections are there. Michaela always looks amazing and everything is pumped to the max and it's looking great. Let's see the before and the after. Really nice. I am quite happy with what I'm having now, but let's try fashion. Now, fashion goes really hard in dodge and burning. The veins on the eye, it's perfect. I really like it, but maybe a little bit more texture. Nice. You even see that in the hands, and the rest of the skin is also being retouched. And press OK. To be honest, I did take this picture with a huge softbox, so the skin is already smooth. So let's give it a bit of a challenge. I tried to make a picture a bit more aggressive. Usually models don't like this kind of lighting because it's not as flattering. Michaela's eyes is looking great and I want to smooth the skin. I really like that it doesn't have complicated features and options, it just does the work and you're done, okay? You're done. For a fashion photo shoot, that is actually really good. So let's give a big challenge. So a teenage face, like this beautiful model here, and freckles. Actually, this model during this photo shoot told me that she didn't like other makeup artists because they hide their natural freckles and she loves them. Okay, filter, Reblum, Reblum Retouch. No, come on. I mean, look at that. I mean,
as Miguel wondered about the wasted time retouching the photos, time he will never get back. Maybe he would have gotten a girlfriend or walked the dog more time.
Okay, that's amazing. And it's a natural one, that's amazing. It's keeping the freckles and let's go for fashion, see what we're gonna get. Yeah, much smoother skin, but I wouldn't advise to use that on a family photo shoot, okay? But damn, it's very cool. I cannot stop watching the before and after. Now, there is other things that I need to discuss about Reblum that I really like. It's one-time purchase, but you will have continued improvements on it, okay? Now you can retouch individually face. So that was an update that showed up this weekend, and now I have it. I didn't need to upgrade or anything. If you use the affiliate link, you're gonna have 20% discount. Another thing that is very important to me, it's local processing. That means that it's not sending the image through the internet to a server to calculate everything. It's all done locally. That means if you are offline or the clients will ask about the AI features that it's uploading to a server or God knows where, you don't have to worry about it because it's all done locally. I can unplug the internet and it will work. And the final thing is also that you have a really cool 7-day free trial, no limit. During 7 days, you can process as much photos that you want. Even after purchase, you can process as much images as you want. And that will go to my next point. I don't use it on Photoshop. I don't use it on Lightroom. Although there is the option, I use it in extremely different way. Let me show you. How I actually use this software, it's a bit different. Export everything, okay? And then I go to the JPEGs already exported and I go to Reblum app and I actually use the standalone software. I select all the image and I drop it in. I select my settings, whatever, and then I push all the way the quality to 100%. Course. Just save it on another folder and let it rip. How cool is that? Now the big question is it better than manually doing the frequency separation? I know that it's faster, okay? You saw how fast that is. The question is it better? I'm gonna use this picture here and let's test that out. Don't worry, I'm gonna time-lapse this because this is boring. One of the techniques of retouching that you should use as well is take a break when you are done and then get back. Let me see the before and after. I actually did a good job. Looks like I am a professional photographer, right? But I'm seeing some problem. As you can see here, there is a really awkward shadow that I added by accident. I'm gonna admit that I was a little bit lazy in dodging and burning. Let's see if Reblum will do a better job. Go to filter, Reblum retouch. I'm gonna go full into fashion. The texture a little bit more like so, okay? God damn, I see already that it's better. Let's see how badly I made. This is comparing with the original image. Come on. I mean, that's pretty damn good. Yeah, Reblum, yeah. So if you really like it, the link is down below. You have 20% off. It helps me, it's affiliate link. And you will win hours, days, months of life not retouching professionally. Oh, damn, that's really good.